Oh man, just here with my road glide. Man, I'm loving this thing so far. I want to show you how I'm putting my cell phone here on my motorcycle, just real quick, because obviously, you know, cell phones are important to a lot of people. Listen to music, a lot of people do a lot of stuff with cell phones, and if you have a big cell phone, you're gonna have this issue because, once again, you know, the fact that it's big, it kind of limits some of the things that you could get out there. So I've been using this RAM with my Road King, and now I put it on my Road Glide. Kind of want to give you a quick look right there. And again, I used to have the X grip, and I'm going to tell you, it just sucked. This one is obviously not the X grip. This one is actually an extra large. I put the name right here because I actually forgot the full name of it. But there's a couple things that I like. And first of all, I like the fact that you don't need to use two hands, like kind of like, you know, the X grip was kind of weird. You had to press on it. On this one, all you have to do is raise this. So again, you put your cell phone here, or you actually stick your cell phone like this, raise it, and then set it down, and that's about it. And I love the quality. I love what you can do with it. So when you get it, you get this platform, and you get all these little things right here, right? So you have four of them that obviously are going to go around your cell phone. So then you have the screws, and what you do is that you get the screws, and you obviously install these little pieces, but then you adjust it to your cell phone, you know, because let's face it, you have an iPhone, whatever you have, but we all have different cases and things like that. So this allows you to set up a custom fit for your cell phone, depending on the casing that you have. So again, once you set it up, you tighten that down, come back here and install this back plate, which you're gonna have to install, and then it has your basic bowl, right? Everything comes out of this bowl right here. So essentially, RAM mount has this bowls that you use with whatever accessories you're gonna use, either cell phone or maybe it's a cup or something like that. Again, whatever you're gonna use, I use it with my GoPros and things like that. It's up to you. So that little attachment that you attach to your bike could be for your cell phone, but if you take away your cell phone, you can put your GoPro or whatever. And then you attach it wherever you're gonna attach it, guys. Here's my set right here, which actually does not come with the phone. And then you need one of this extension right here, which actually didn't come with the phone neither. They have different sizes of extension. So again, you know, maybe you buy a kit that has all this. Maybe you just buy the cell phone mount in cell. That's what I got because I did have all this. I'm sure they sell everything at once. That's kind of how it looks from the back. Obviously, you have the extension here attached to this right here, right? So it gives you a lot of flexibility. You can mount it here. You can mount it down here. You can mount it pretty much wherever you want. All right, so let me give you a quick look how it looks here in the motorcycle so you could kind of get an idea. All right, guys, there you have it. I'm gonna go enjoy my motorcycle right now. I'm gonna go and ride. It's a beautiful day. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.